picture climbing up a tree. B rode a big blue bike, fast as fast can be. C crossed a curvy bridge with a laugh and cheer.
D dug for dinosaur bones.
I found one here.
E explored the ocean. Splish and splashy play.
F flew with feathery wings across the sky all day.
G galloped on a golden horse, shiny in the sun.
H hiked up high green hill saying,
This is fun.
I skated quickly, slip and slide and spin. J jumped in jiggly mud, laughing with a grin.
K flew a kite so high,
Dancing in the breeze.
L looked for little stars, hiding in the trees.
M climbed a mighty mountain, tall as tall can be. N sailed a noisy boat across the shiny sea. O rolled with orange wheels down a bumpy street. P paddled in a purple pond,
Splash, splash, feet.
Q met a quiet queen in a castle tall. R raced a red race car, zooming past them all. S slid on snowy hills, laughing all the way. T took a tiny train to end a busy day. U flew an umbrella high up in the sky.
In the sky,
V visited a volcano bubbling nearby.
nearby.
W went on a whale ride over waves so blue. X found an X marked spot, treasure.
Woo-hoo!